everyone. Today we have a very interesting episode of GMC Terrain. Customer complains that his radio is not working and climate control doesn't do anything, and none of these buttons respond to anything. And I've noticed there was all this white stuff around the buttons everywhere, and actually around the whole vehicle. There's all these white buttons, white stains in here, down here. Even the OBD port, when I first looked at it, was covered in this white stuff. It turns out to be salt. And I was wondering why it would be covered in salt. And let's listen to what the customer has to say about it.
What's up, guys? It's Ben's Messiah, and so I took up the shop. I went to the shop, and these guys are trying to fix it. And I threw away a bunch of salt before, so he just went inside in the vehicle. Now they're trying to clean it up. And make sure you guys subscribe and follow 3D4K Auto, okay? Make sure you guys do that. Subscribe. If you guys have any problems with your vehicle, make sure you guys come here, and this guy will take care of you guys, okay?
All right, thanks for the explanation. So there was some salt that was just thrown into the vehicle, and now we gotta clean it up. So first of all, we took out the door switch, because that was covered in salt and there was a lot of salt stains inside. We already cleaned the switch. I can still show you what it looks like. There was salt on the inside, on the relay. There is a relay, this relay here, and right under it there was a lot of salt. You can see all the salt has eaten up some circuit board. It was still kind of working, and then we cleaned it, and hopefully it'll keep working. Maybe for some time, maybe for a little longer, who knows. Also, this mirror switch has got a couple of contacts eaten away. These two contacts here, they have been eaten away. I'm not sure if they're gonna work. There is still some contacts left, but we'll see. We're gonna continue removing stuff and cleaning it, and hopefully it'll start working. I hope the salt has not eaten everything away yet, so let's keep doing it. So we already repaired the window. The window works now. The switch that we cleaned actually works. Let's demonstrate. Beautiful. Works up and then down. Sweet. Okay. Now we're moving on. Or even the back window works. Yeah, everything works on that switch. That's wonderful. Now let's move on to the climate control and radio. So here is the climate control and radio module in one piece. We can already see that there has been some salt going through it. It's ended up, so it's positioned like so in the vehicle, and the salt ended up down here in the corner, so it must have leaked through the whole thing. Let's take it apart and see what it looks like inside. We'll remove this front panel here, and this is what we see. Lots of salt in between the buttons there. Let's keep digging it up. We have taken apart this climate control and radio module, and this is what we found. It is not fixable at this point. It is too far beyond the repair, so we're gonna have to find a new one or a used one. Here's the other side of that circuit board. You can clearly see that something caught on fire here.
Yeah.
It got electrical short, and then it burned. I guess we're lucky that the whole car didn't burn down. It may have burned down in some unfortunate event. Yeah, so we're gonna start the search for a new one. So we got our new control panel for AC and radio, but the problem is we no longer need it because the customer decided to just fly to Winnipeg without his vehicle. I guess we'll need it at some point whenever he returns to get his vehicle back to Winnipeg. I guess he just urgently needed to go to Winnipeg and couldn't wait for the part. So anyway, we got the part. It's ready to go in. Maybe this procedure will continue. Maybe we'll have to desalt another part of this car. We'll see. But for now, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.